Okay, I am super excited to show the unboxing. Guess what? The new MacBook Air. That's right. So, and I like how now they have an easier open box. Come on. What do you think, baby? Can I help mommy unbox? Well, you can't stand in front of the camera, Violet. Come here. Okay. Violet, don't block the camera. Here we go. Doot, 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 doot. There we go, Violet. Look at this. The gold gold MacBook Air. And this is the one that has the M1 chip. This one comes with the 1 terabyte of storage space. This one also has the 16 gigabytes of memory. That's like 4 times what my other laptop had on memory. And it's supposed to be super quiet in comparison. So, in comparison to my MacBook Pro. And then you can see here, you've got designed by Apple in California. So these new chips, these new M1 chips, they're doing a 2-year transition to manufacturing them here in the US. Great things. Great, great, great things. So this is the gold. The gold MacBook Air. I'm so happy. And it's so lightweight. Very lightweight. So let's open it. Ah. It's like magic. It's like magic. There we go. It's a nice black or a nice backlit keyboard. And then I'm going to continue to set this little gem up.
To use English as the main language,
Oh,
press the return key.
It's talking to me. How about that? So the main difference that I could really see when I compared the MacBook Pro to the MacBook Air, besides price, was the touch bar. And the touch bar really gives you options as far as finding your favorites. Considering I didn't have that feature on my MacBook Pro, I thought, okay, I might not miss it. And for the price that that I got this beauty for, because I don't have to pay the interest when you use the what is it called? The Apple Card, which is fantastic. So I don't have to pay interest on that. So anyway, the new the new MacBook Air, I highly, highly recommend it. Purchase it on Amazon today. And then we'll go into the skins and the covers when they get here tomorrow. Yay!